Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Ford Territory TX, stock reference number 4715. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mag, left front is a ball tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and the right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, touchscreen, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, map lights, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.